We know you love construction, or you wouldn't be watching this video, so we know you'll love the following products. The innovative GeoStep system represents a revolution in the field of geocell technology, specially designed to meet the specific needs of slopes in a wide range of construction applications. This system consists of sheets of polyethylene polymer that are produced by an extrusion process and then cut to form cells and holes that are interlocked with a special cord. The customizable roll option offered allows for greater flexibility and ease of use, eliminating the need to work with multiple sections and simplifying ordering and transportation processes. What makes the GeoStep system unique is its ability to efficiently interconnect cells, distribute loads evenly, and create a stable, stair-like structure that helps prevent landslides and ensures slope safety and stability. In addition, each roll of this system is sufficient to reinforce a significant area of 350 square meters, demonstrating its effectiveness and cost-effectiveness in comparison to other products on the market. Another significant advantage of GeoStep is the design of the cells, which offer up to 11 times greater coverage than standard 3D geocells, providing additional protection and stability to the slope surface. It's totally amazing, right? Well, this next tool will leave you just as amazed. Get ready for a real revolution in construction. Trimble Sight Vision is a revolutionary tool that changes the way you interact with data in the field. With its easy-to-use interface, you can bring complex information to life and visualize it with unprecedented accuracy. Whether you're in construction, civil engineering, or any other field, Sight Vision gives you the ability to place and examine georeferenced 3D models from any angle and at any scale, allowing you to better understand your surroundings and make informed decisions on the ground. In addition to visualizing data, Sight Vision allows you to take precise measurements using technologies such as GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, and electronic distance measurement. This combination of augmented reality and measurement tools allows you to analyze terrain information in detail, identify points of interest, and plan operations more effectively. But Sight Vision's functionality goes beyond simple visualization and measurement. It also allows you to document your work in the field by taking photos, recording measurements, and making annotations directly on the device. You can also create and assign tasks to members of your team, facing collaboration and project management in the field. And this is just the beginning, because if you like this one, the next one takes the accessory to the next level. Get ready to be amazed again. The Rail Climbing System, RCS Max, is an innovation in climbing technology that improves efficiency and safety on construction sites. As a further development of the successful rail climbing system RCS Max, you can now easily expand your existing system with the new components, the RCS Max hydraulic unit and the RCS Max drive rails. RCS Max allows you to climb multiple platforms simultaneously with fewer steps. This system distributes the load to the lower climbing section, allowing platforms to be prepared for the next climbing stage more quickly. System setup is simple and convenient, making installation and operation effortless. Installation doesn't require an electrician or hydraulic specialist. Hoses and cylinders are quickly placed in predetermined positions, eliminating the need for subsequent adjustments. The wireless control option provides greater freedom of movement for operators. System components are lightweight and compact, taking up less space on the job site. The climbing process is automated with just a few simple steps, making it intuitive and easy to master with minimal training. If you like this unit, get ready, because the next one will blow your mind. Construction technology has never been more exciting. The ICE Formwork system is a set of innovative solutions designed to improve the environmental and economic performance of concrete precast. Essentially, ICE Formwork is an alternative material for producing custom concrete elements, using ordinary ice as the forming material, a climate-controlled manufacturing environment, and all manner of robotic material processing tools, both subtractive and additive. This system has various applications that can enrich architectural design while optimizing structural, economic, and environmental performance. One example is the lightweight rain screen facade system, which provides an extremely durable and aesthetic building envelope, reinforced with fibers and weighing 80 to 100 kilograms per square meter. The ICE Formwork system provides the means to produce complex geometries in concrete without generating mold material waste, effectively reducing the embodied energy and carbon footprint of concrete products by 40 to 50% compared to a similar manufacturing method based on expanded polystyrene. It's amazing, valuable, and a marvel of technology, right? But the next one will amaze you just as much. Innovation knows no bounds in the world of construction. The Take-On adjustable plastic column formwork system is an innovative solution for column construction, offering versatility, durability, and cost savings. Manufactured from advanced materials such as ABS and fiberglass, this system provides an efficient alternative to traditional wood or metal formwork. One of the main advantages of this system is its ability to produce columns in a wide range of sizes, providing flexibility and adaptability to the specific needs of each project. In addition, its modular and lightweight design allows the panels to be easily handled by site personnel, thereby reducing installation time and costs. The durability of the Take-On adjustable plastic column formwork is another highlight, as it's designed to withstand the most demanding working conditions. The panels can withstand multiple concreting cycles without losing their structural integrity, ensuring a long service life and an excellent return on investment. Its ability to work in a wide range of weather circles, both in warm and cold climates, makes it a versatile choice for projects in different geographical locations. It's incredible what technology can do for construction, don't you think? But wait until you see what's coming next. It'll leave you speechless. How is construction technology revolutionizing the industry? With companies like Infloor Group, it's become a benchmark of professionalism and efficiency in the field of specialized flooring. With national coverage, the team installs thousands of square meters of sports flooring annually, both indoor and outdoor, as well as PVC flooring, professional carpets, and other types of specialized flooring, fully satisfying the needs of its clients through Romania. With reference projects in all regions of the country, its experts can respond to any request regardless of location. Their flooring installation services are carried out with state-of-the-art equipment, guaranteeing the quality and durability of their products from the very beginning. In addition to initial installation, they also offer professional floor maintenance and renovation services, providing solutions that allow their customers to save both time and money, with results that exceed customer expectations for quality and durability. Were you surprised by Infloor Group? Well, get ready for a new level of fascination. The next product will amaze you even more. An innovative and affordable option? The Burridge L-Panel is a versatile and low-maintenance solution that offers a wide range of applications for roofs, ceilings, and fascias. Manufactured from high-quality materials such as 24 and 22 gauge steel and 0.032-inch aluminum, this pre-finished panel easily adapts to a variety of structures, whether open or solid. It's also available in smooth, stucco, and vented relief options, making it suitable for a variety of architectural styles and project requirements. One of the standout features of the L-Panel is its concealed fastener design, which provides a clean and modern appearance. With V-groove options and vented patterns, this panel not only enhances the aesthetics of any structure, but also provides proper ventilation for areas such as attics and interior spaces. In addition, its wide coverage of 11 inches and 5/8 allows for quick and efficient installation, reducing labor time and associated costs. Another significant advantage of the Burridge L-Panel is its ability to adapt to different lengths, with options up to 40 feet. This provides greater installation flexibility and allows large areas to be covered with fewer pieces, minimizing waste and optimizing material performance. Were you surprised? Well, the next one will be even more impressive. Don't miss it. Just Biofiber Structural Solutions Corp. was founded in 2014 with a vision to bring to market a sustainable building system that improves quality of life, reduces costs, minimizes waste, and is easy to build. JBF has developed a patented structural block building system that outperforms virtually all existing and alternative building systems. With more than 2 years of production backlog and global demand, JBF is poised for international expansion, sustainable and regenerative development. Hundreds of cities have committed to achieving net zero carbon emissions in all new buildings by 2030. The building materials sector is a broad and diverse market, but it's also one of the world's leading contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, waste, and pollution. Regulations and consumer preferences are shifting toward greener alternatives, leading to industry growth that has already reached $350 billion in global sales. More companies are integrating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria into their performance to increase their global ESG impact. If you thought you had seen it all, wait until you see what comes next. Building has never been more exciting. Imagine transforming your interior space with the warmth and elegance of natural wood, without the need for complicated installations. It's one of those cool building technologies you don't believe exists. You can do it easily with Woodhaven floorboards. These planks are designed to add a touch of style and comfort to any roof in your home. One of the outstanding features of Woodhaven planks is their versatility in installation. They can be installed in a variety of ways to achieve the desired effect, whether in a traditional linear pattern or more creative design. What's more, their 5-inch by 84-inch size provides optimal coverage, meaning you need fewer boards to cover a given area, reducing installation time and costs. These planks are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical. Their pre-finished natural wood look eliminates the need for sanding, staining, or sealing, further simplifying the installation and maintenance process. In addition, their tongue-and-groove design ensures a perfect fit and minimizes the appearance of gaps between planks, maintaining a uniform and professional appearance.